Bars. These are places where people come to relax, celebrate, and connect. But behind every great night out is a surprisingly old-school truth. Cash is still king. Whether it's paying a cover charge, grabbing a quick game of pool, choosing a song on the jukebox, or tipping a hard-working bartender, cash dominates many bar transactions. However, the modern cash reality isn't without its challenges. What happens when your patrons run low on cash? What if they have to leave the bar just to find an ATM? That's lost revenue. Plain and simple. Installing an ATM right inside your bar can solve this problem and unlock a steady stream of passive income for your business. In this video, we'll explore why bars still rely on cash, how ATMs improve customer experience and your bottom line, and how you can set up your own bar ATM program with zero hassle. Ready? Let's get started. Section 1. Transaction realities in bars. Let's dig deeper into the cash-heavy nature of bar transactions, which might surprise you. Cover charges. Many bars and clubs charge entry fees or special event cover charges. These are almost always paid in cash to speed up the process and reduce card processing fees. Think of it as an instant, fee-free way to get the night started. Pool tables and games. Whether it's a classic game of pool, darts, or even a jukebox selection, cash payments are standard. Coins and bills are convenient and universally accepted, making them the ideal payment method for these small, precise fees. Jukeboxes. These timeless entertainment staples continue to rely heavily on cash. Players drop in coins or small bills to pick their favorite tunes. A steady but often overlooked revenue source for bars. Tips. Perhaps the most important cash transaction in a bar is the tip. Bartenders and servers depend on cash tips, which provide instant gratification and avoid the delays or fees associated with electronic tips. Studies have shown that cash tips tend to be 20% higher on average compared to credit card tips. Why? Because handing over physical money feels more personal, a tangible way to show appreciation for great service. And now, consider how all these add up throughout the night. Bars create an ecosystem where cash is king, but only if your patrons have easy access to it. When they don't, it's your sales and tips that take the hit. Section 2. The convenience factor. Picture this scenario. Your customer is enjoying the vibe, ordering drinks, and maybe even tipping the bartender generously. Then, suddenly, their cash runs out. Without an ATM nearby, they face two choices. Either interrupt their night to hunt down a cash machine, or leave without paying for that last round. Neither option benefits your bar. Installing an ATM inside your establishment keeps customers where you want them, enjoying your bar and spending more. Convenience matters. When cash is accessible, patrons are more likely to stay longer, order more drinks, and tip bigger. Here's a key insight. Research shows that customers with easy ATM access increase their average spend per visit by up to 30%. That's a substantial boost in revenue, simply by removing a common payment barrier. The ATM doesn't just keep customers inside, it subtly encourages more spending. Once patrons withdraw cash, they're primed to use it, whether it's for that extra round, games, food, or tipping the bartender. From your perspective, the ATM requires minimal space and can be strategically placed near entrances or payment counters, blending seamlessly with your bar's ambience. And it's a win-win. Your customers appreciate the convenience, and your bar captures more revenue with little effort. Section 3. Partnership structures and profit models. So how do you make money with an ATM in your bar? Most ATM providers operate on revenue sharing or surcharge split models. Here's how it typically works. The ATM charges a small fee per transaction, usually $2 to $4. You receive a cut of this fee, often between 25% to 50%. Imagine this. If your ATM averages 20 transactions per day at $3 each, you're looking at between $450 and $900 in monthly passive income. And that's just from one machine. Plus, you don't pay for the machine or installation up front. Most providers handle that at no cost to you. When it comes to program options, there are two main types to consider. 1. Full service model. The ATM provider owns the machine, takes care of installation, maintenance, cash replenishment, and compliance. You simply offer space and collect your share of the revenue. This model is perfect if you want a hassle-free experience. 2. Merchant-owned model. You buy the ATM outright and handle maintenance and cash management, but keep all transaction fees. This option offers greater profit potential but requires more operational involvement and upfront costs. For most bar owners, the full-service model offers the best balance of low risk and steady revenue. It lets you focus on running your bar while your ATM partner handles all the technical and operational details. Additionally, many providers customize contracts based on your bar's peak hours and foot traffic to maximize uptime and revenue. Bonus section: Security and compliance. Security is critical in bar environments. ATM providers use state-of-the-art encryption, secure PIN pads, and surveillance monitoring to keep transactions safe and protect your patrons' data. Additionally, many providers carry full insurance and liability coverage, shielding you from operational risks. With professional ATM placement and monitoring, you avoid the headaches of cash handling and maintenance, while providing a safe and trusted service to your customers. To wrap it up, bars thrive on cash transactions, from cover charges and games to tips and drinks. Without easy cash access, you're leaving money on the table. Installing an ATM inside your bar is a simple, smart, and lucrative solution. It improves customer convenience, boosts sales, and provides a reliable stream of passive income, all without upfront costs or operational hassle if you choose the right provider. Don't let your customers leave just to find cash. Keep them happy, spending and tipping right where you want them. Interested in adding an ATM to your bar? We're here to help with free consultations and zero-cost installations. Click the link below to schedule your free profitability assessment today. Keep the drinks flowing, the tips coming, and the cash rolling in. Because in bars, cash really is king.